Hey, Side Hustle Geniuses! Welcome back to Side Hustle Genius. I'm Alam, and today, we're diving into one of the most powerful platforms for earning money online, YouTube. I'll guide you step by step on how you can build a YouTube channel and grow it to $8,000 per month. Ready to turn your passion into profit? Let's get started. Why YouTube? YouTube isn't just a video platform, it's a global stage with endless earning potential. Why is it so lucrative? Massive audience, over 2 billion monthly active users, multiple income streams, ads, sponsorships, merchandise, and more. Evergreen content, your videos can keep earning for years. Low entry costs, all you need is a camera or smartphone to start. How to start? Here's a simple roadmap to starting your YouTube journey. Pick a niche. Focus on topics like tech reviews, gaming, fitness, or side hustles, something you're passionate about. Set up your channel. Create a YouTube account, design your banner, and write a compelling description. Get the right equipment. Use your smartphone, good mic, and basic editing software like DaVinci Resolve. Plan your content. Research trending topics and create a content calendar. Upload consistently. Aim for at least one video per week to grow your audience. Monetization methods. There are several ways to earn money on YouTube. YouTube ad revenue, earned through ads displayed on your videos once you're monetized. Requirements: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. Sponsorships: partner with brands to promote their products in your videos. Affiliate marketing: include affiliate links in your video descriptions to earn commissions. Merchandise sales: sell branded merchandise through YouTube's merch shelf or other platforms. Memberships and super chats: offer exclusive content to members or earn from live stream donations. How to grow your channel? Growing your channel to $8,000 a month takes strategy. Here's how. Optimize your videos. Use catchy thumbnails, titles, and relevant keywords. Engage your audience. Reply to comments and build a community. Collaborate. Work with other creators in your niche to tap into their audiences. Promote on social media. Share your videos on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Analyze performance. Use YouTube Analytics to see what's working and improve. Potential earnings breakdown. Here's how you can hit $8,000 per month. Ad revenue: $4,000, assuming 500,000 monthly views at $8 CPM. Sponsorships: $2,000, 2 sponsored videos at $1,000 each. Affiliate marketing: $1,000 commissions from affiliate links. Merchandise: $1,000 selling branded products. The key is diversifying your income streams and scaling each one. Timeline to success. Building a profitable channel takes time and effort. Here's a realistic timeline. Month 1-3, set up your channel. Create 10-15 high-quality videos and focus on growing your audience. Month 4-6, apply for monetization and experiment with affiliate links. Month 7-12, land your first sponsorship deals and explore merchandise options. By the end of year 1, with consistent effort, hitting $8,000 a month is within reach. Pros and cons. Let's weigh the pros and cons of earning through YouTube. Pros: passive income potential, low startup costs, global reach and scalability. Cons: requires time and consistency to grow. Highly competitive platform. Income fluctuates based on trends and views. And that's your step-by-step guide to earning $8,000 a month with YouTube. If you're ready to start your channel, hit that like button, subscribe to Side Hustle Genius, and ring the bell for more actionable business tips. Until next time, keep hustling smart and creating awesome content.